Almost every WooCommerce store struggles with the same issue. Great products, great images, but a single product page that looks generic and doesn't convert. In this video, I'll show you how to redesign the single product page using Divi so it actually supports your product instead of holding it back. We'll restructure the layout, improve spacing, add related products, and make sure everything looks good on mobile. By the end, you'll have a product page that feels premium and intentionally designed. So go to your WordPress dashboard and open Divi. Then click Theme Builder. Inside the Theme Builder, you'll already see your global header, footer, and the custom shop page template. Now click Add New Template and choose Build New Template. Scroll down to the Products section and select All Products. This ensures the template applies to every product on your site, not just one. Once the template is created, click Add Custom Body and then choose Build Custom Body. This opens a blank canvas where we'll design the single product layout. The structure we want is simple and familiar. Product image on the left, product information on the right. Click Add Row and choose a 2-column layout. Select the row and open its settings. Go to Design, then Layout, and reduce the horizontal gutter width to 2 so the columns sit closer together. Then go to Sizing and set the row width to 95%. This keeps the content wide but still balanced. Now inside the first column, click the plus icon and insert the Woo Products image module. This module automatically pulls the product gallery and thumbnails from WooCommerce. You don't need to configure anything here yet. Now move to the second column. This column will hold all the product information in a clean, logical order. Add the following modules one by one in this exact sequence. First, add the Woo product title. Next, add Woo product rating. Then add Woo product price. After that, add Woo product description. This is the short description that appears near the price. Next, add Woo add to cart. Finally, add Woo product meta. This displays details like SKU, category, and tags. At this point, the top section of your product page structure is complete. Now we'll add the detailed content that usually appears further down the page. Add a new section below the main product layout. Inside this section, insert a new row and add Woo Product Tabs module. This module automatically includes the long description, additional information, and reviews. Select the row and set its width to 95%, so it aligns with the rest of the layout. To encourage browsing and increase average order value, we'll add a featured product section below the product details. Add another new section, insert a heading module, and change the text to featured products. Set the text to uppercase, center align it, change the text color to your primary brand color, and increase the font size to around 35. Below the heading, add the WooCommerce module. Open its settings and under Content, set the product count to 4, change the product type to featured products, so only featured items are going to appear. Select the row and set its width to 95% and save the section. Now let's apply a bit of styling so everything matches your brand. Scroll back to the top of the template, select the Woo product title module, change the text color to your primary brand color, and set the font weight to medium. Do the same for the Woo product price module, adjust the color and weight so it stands out clearly, and save the template. Now go to the front end and refresh any product page. You should see the new layout immediately. No sidebar, filters, clean structure, and everything aligned properly. Test the product variations if you have any. Select a variation, add the product to the cart, proceed to checkout, fill in the checkout details, verify the shipping charges, and place a test order. To confirm everything worked, go back to your WordPress dashboard, open WooCommerce, and click Orders. You'll see a new order listed. You can open it and mark it as completed if needed. Next, let's check the mobile experience. Go back to the Divi editor and switch to mobile view. The layout already stacks nicely on smaller screens, so we don't need to rebuild anything. All we need to do is reduce side spacing. Select each row in the template and set the width to 90% for mobile. This prevents the content from feeling cramped on smaller screens. Save the changes and preview the product page on the front end again. At this point, your single product page is fully customized in Divi, responsive on all devices, and free from unnecessary elements like shop filters. I've also linked all the plugin templates and tools that are used in this video down in the description, so you can quickly go through them and import everything you want. See you in the next one.